Digital marketing is one of the most in demand skills right now. Whether you want to start freelancing, get a high paying job, or even grow your own business, you don't need to spend thousands of rupees or dollars on courses. There are some amazing free courses from trusted platforms that not only teach you digital marketing in detail but also provide free certificates to boost your resume and LinkedIn profile. And I'm not going to talk about Google's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course. It was launched 10 years ago, almost in 2015, and while it was great at that time, it's now pretty outdated. The digital marketing world has changed massively with AI, social media, and new tools. So in 2025, you need courses that are fresh, relevant, and future proof. In this video, I will share 5 completely free digital marketing courses from top platforms like HubSpot, Meta, and SEMrush. I will walk you through what's inside each course, how long they take, and what kind of certificate you will get at the end. So let's get started. The first course is HubSpot's Digital Marketing Certification. HubSpot is one of the leaders in inbound marketing and CRM tools, so learning from them means you are learning directly from industry experts. This is a free certification course by HubSpot where you will be learning topics like SEO, social media marketing, email, and more. This course is perfect for small business owners, marketing managers, individuals who want to get into SEO, social media, advertising, and a lot more. And this will also get you certified in digital marketing essentials. Here in this course, you will be learning how to create a solid digital marketing strategy to grow an online presence and following for your business. You will also learn how to optimize your website, have a better SEO for your website. You will be also building email, social media, and advertising strategies that will get your business a wider audience. This course has 10 lessons and 30 videos, and you will also get some quizzes to practice. These are the main topics that you will be learning in this course, that will be content marketing, email marketing, lead generation, SEO, social media, inbound marketing, reporting and performance, and a lot more. So this will be the certificate you will be getting for this course. By the end of this course, you will understand not just how to run ads, but how to build a full marketing funnel that actually converts. And the best part is, as I said, it comes with a free certificate that's widely recognized by employers. Many recruiters in marketing know HubSpot certifications and value them highly on resumes and LinkedIn. This course is perfect for beginners who want a complete overview of digital marketing in one place. Before we move to the next course, let's talk about something every digital marketer or freelancer faces: managing multiple clients, campaigns, and deadlines at the same time. If you are building your own agency or working with different clients, keeping everything organized can be really hard. That's where Odoo Project helps you. It's a free project management tool by Odoo that helps you plan, track, and manage all your work in one simple place. You can use the Gantt view to clearly see your upcoming schedule and timeline, or the Kanban view to see all your tasks under defined stage, or the list view to do batch changes. You can also add milestones and deadlines to track the main goals in your project, so you always know how close you are to finishing your work. For daily tasks, it has a smooth task management system where you can create subtasks, set repeating tasks, and connect related tasks together. Each task has a chatter where you can store and share all your files through log notes, send emails to clients, or schedule activities. When you want to see the overall progress, Odoo gives you simple reports and dashboards to check everything in one place. And the best part, your first app with Odoo is completely free for life for unlimited users. So even if your team grows, you don't have to pay extra. If you are a marketer or freelancer who wants to stay organized and professional, definitely check out Odoo Project. The link is in the description below. Now let's talk about something that's more recent: AI for Marketing by SEMrush. Digital marketing in 2025 is incomplete without AI. From generating content, analyzing data, to personalizing customer experiences, AI tools are everywhere. It's a brief 2 to 3 hours course while you will be learning how AI is transforming digital marketing, AI powered SEO and content marketing, how to use AI for social media and paid advertising. You will also get some real world use cases and tools. This course gives you hands on examples of how to integrate AI into your digital marketing strategy. The certificate from SEMrush Academy is free and shows that you are up to date with the latest AI powered marketing trends. In this course, you will learn how AI works for marketing, prompt engineering for marketers, how to do SEO, content, and social media faster with AI. So you will also get a walkthrough of developing a marketing strategy. You will learn how to integrate AI for campaigns and content, and a lot more. The next course is also from SEMrush Academy: Master Your Brand Voice Workshop with Jack Appleby. Jack is a well-known marketing strategist who has worked with brands like Spotify and Twitch. This workshop is different because it focuses on branding and content style, which most free courses usually ignore. It's a brief 1 hour course while you will be learning how to define a brand's tone of voice, how to write engaging social media content, real-life examples from top brands, turning a brand into something where people actually connect with you. Now, this course doesn't go super deep into technical ads or SEO, but it's incredibly useful for people in content marketing, copywriting, and brand strategy. And yes, you will also get a SEMrush certificate for completing it. The final course on this list is HubSpot Email Marketing Certification. Email marketing is still one of the highest ROI channels in digital marketing. According to studies, for every $1 spent, businesses make around $36 back through email campaigns. That's insane. In this course, you will learn how to approach email marketing strategically and holistically. It's a brief 3 hours course while you will be learning how to build an email marketing strategy, how to create engaging subject lines and content. You will be learning personalization and segmentation, automation and workflows, and you will also learn how to measure results with analytics. The certification is once again from HubSpot, which adds credibility to your LinkedIn profile. If you want to specialize in email marketing or you are planning to start your own online business, this course is a gold mine. So these are the free digital marketing courses that you should take to build a successful career in digital marketing. I have added all the links in the description so you can start right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more free courses, guides and skill hacks, and share this with a friend who is trying to get into digital marketing. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious and take action on your growth.